Yesterday, between 7:30 and 10, a narcotic raid was conducted at Savle and in Piled by staff of Porvorim police station, led by PI Dalvi. Two Nigerian nationals were arrested who had come to supply the consignment to prospective customers. The two Nigerians, Mikoga Chidi, alias Andy, aged 38 years, native of Lagos, Nigeria, at present Bella Vista, Sangolda, and Linos Nauto Ambroso, 32 years, resident of Lagos, Nigeria, at present resident of Aradi Parra. Those other investigation on motorcycle, whose other details will be investigated, house searches is being conducted. People connected to them also will be questioned, interrogated.
Sir, do they have the valid documents pertaining to stay in Goa?
Yes, both of them are having valid visas. The Emmanuel, Chidi is expiring on 18/11/2016 and Ambroso is expiring on 1/11/2016.
What visa they are having?
Both are come on double entry visa, business visa.
Business.
We are very active and alert as far as the sale of narcotics is concerned.
Sir, you said there are no consumers. Are there sellers?
See, if there are no consumers, there is no demand, then there won't be supply.
So 2 kilos, quite a big
I
number,
know,
sir. That
I
shows
know.
there is a demand.
It can be a transit.
Okay.
Achha.
So even though it's a transit, Porvorim is a transit point. So drugs is coming through.
No,
Porvorim.
because this was a trap case. This was a trap case late. It was not a chance case. Information was developed on this. Tomorrow it will be Goans or somewhere, somebody like that, we will definitely book them.
Suspected drugs you have not seized for the last
Yeah, we
one.
hope in future to do it.
So how many raids have been conducted? Any idea, sir?
Porvorim, in Kalangut has done many.
Porvorim.
No, Porvorim, in this year, this is the first one. I think we are doing fairly well. In Goa, if you take the statistics, North District, we have been booking many cases.
So did he have a couple of people?
He had a
under him?
previous case also on him, in synthetic drugs.